Keeping a home comfortable and energy efficient is a priority for many Pell City homeowners, especially with Alabama's hot summers, chilly winters, and frequent humidity. While many people focus on windows or HVAC systems when trying to reduce energy costs, replacement doors are one of the most overlooked yet impactful upgrades you can make. A poorly insulated or aging door can leak air, strain your heating and cooling system, and drive up monthly utility bills. Fortunately, installing modern replacement doors is a simple and effective way to increase energy efficiency without major renovations. Here's how replacement doors help Pell City families enjoy year-round comfort and noticeable energy savings. Better insulation for year-round comfort. Older doors often have worn seals, thin materials, or outdated construction that make it easy for outside air to slip through. This is especially noticeable in Pell City, where temperatures can reach the high 90s in summer and drop significantly during winter cold snaps. New replacement doors offer insulated cores that block heat transfer, tight-fitting frames that reduce air leaks, advanced weather stripping for improved sealing, energy-efficient materials like fiberglass or insulated steel. These features help keep cool air inside during summer and warm air inside during winter, reducing the workload on your HVAC system and improving overall comfort. Elimination of drafts and hot spots. Drafty doors often create uneven indoor temperatures, cooler near entrances during winter and hotter near doors during summer. These temperature inconsistencies make your home feel less comfortable and force your heating and cooling system to work overtime. A new replacement door eliminates air leaks around the frame, creates a sealed, stable barrier, reduces temperature fluctuations between rooms, keeps your home consistently comfortable. This is particularly beneficial for older Pell City homes, which may have settling foundations or shifting frames that cause gaps over time. Advanced materials designed for efficiency. Today's replacement doors are built with performance in mind. Materials like fiberglass, insulated steel, and high-quality composite blends offer significant efficiency advantages over older wood or hollow core doors. Energy-efficient materials provide better insulation, resistance to warping or swelling from humidity, longer lifespan with minimal maintenance, stronger protection against Alabama's changing weather. These durable materials help maintain the door's efficiency for years, ensuring long-term energy savings and reduced costs. Energy-efficient glass options for enhanced performance. Many modern front and patio doors include decorative or functional glass inserts. While beautiful, poorly insulated glass can let in heat and cold. Replacement doors offer energy-efficient glass options specifically designed to improve insulation while maintaining visibility and style. Upgrades include double or triple pane insulated glass, low-E coatings that block UV rays, and heat gas-filled glass panels for better temperature control. These features help Pell City homes remain cool even in direct sunlight and warm during colder evenings. Reduced HVAC usage and lower monthly bills. Because replacement doors create a more efficient thermal barrier, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain comfortable temperatures. This translates to real savings on your monthly energy bills. Homeowners often experience lower cooling costs during hot summers, reduced heating bills in winter, less wear on HVAC equipment, lowering future repair costs, improved energy performance that lasts throughout the year. The savings add up quickly, making replacement doors one of the most cost-effective home upgrades for Pell City residents. A long-term investment with immediate benefits. In addition to improving efficiency, replacement doors boost curb appeal, enhance home security, increase property value, require little maintenance. With professional installation, your door fits perfectly, seals tightly, and performs at its highest efficiency from day one. Upgrade your Pell City home with energy-efficient replacement doors. Improving your home's energy efficiency doesn't have to be complicated. Replacement doors offer an affordable, impactful solution that delivers immediate comfort and long-term savings. By eliminating drafts, improving insulation, and reducing HVAC strain, energy-efficient doors give Pell City homeowners a simple path to lower bills and a more comfortable home. If you're ready to save energy the easy way, Upgrading to modern replacement doors is one of the smartest investments you can make.